Hello everyone, I'm back again on my channel. So this episode will be different because I will be unboxing the gift that I received on my birthday. So I'm so excited to open the box and to give some reviews and comments on this product. So let's start. So here is the box that I received, and it came along with this paper bag here, and now we are going to open it. Oh wow. So it's a bag, and it's inside of this dust bag. So guys, it's the Louis Vuitton Neverfull in dark brown color. It's big, and you have a big space inside as well for your books, notebooks, and for your office materials. So I have the rose ballerine lining inside. You can also have it in a red, and it has a side pocket where you can store your phone or your wallet. It also came along with this cute clutch bag, so you can attach it like this and just use it as your wallet, or you can detach it and just use it as a clutch bag. Here inside is also a compartment, and it also came along with the same color. So here you can store as well your phone or your credit cards or your money, and just carry it along like this. There are also two buckles on the side where you can make it smaller. And voila! Here it is. It's smaller now, and it's so stylish, and you can fit here your daily essentials. So overall, I would recommend this bag for your daily use. It fits all your daily necessities, and it's adjustable on both sides if you want to make it bigger or you want to make it smaller, and it fits all your books, your office materials, or you can just bring your clutch if you want to. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe, and let me know which bag do you prefer to in the comment section below. Bye!